Здравствуйте. Hello. Welcome back to the First Steps with Russian course. This is Module 5. My name is Olga. I'm your Russian teacher. In today's lesson, you will learn how to make plural of nouns. You will learn also about some exceptions. But before we start, I would like to remind you about one important phonetic phenomenon and one grammar thing which you must know. So let's start from phonetic rule, which will be useful for you to understand better the Russian grammar and this topic in particular. As you may know, all consonants in Russian can be either hard or soft. So how we understand this? We look at the vowel which comes after the consonant. If you see one of these vowels, a, u, o, e, I, it means that the preceding consonant is hard. If you look at the vowel and you see ya, you, yo, ye, I, it means that the preceding consonant is soft. So here we have ma, m, hard sound, hard consonant, and here we have mya, soft consonant, soft sound, me. The same if you see the soft sign, the consonant is soft. If you forgot this rule or you didn't study it properly, I would highly recommend you to join my video course, Read Russian with Ease. There we cover basics of reading and pronunciation rules, and you will get there many interesting and important details about pronunciation, which will help you understand the Russian grammar better. Let's move. Another thing which you should know to understand today's topic is that we have 3 gender of nouns. I remind you that we have masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns. How can we understand if it's masculine, feminine, or neuter? We look at the last letter. If you see consonant or y, which also a consonant, I краткая, don't confuse with I. I is a vowel, yeah, and I краткая sound y is a consonant. It's a masculine. If it ends with a or ya, it's feminine noun. Also, some masculine and feminine noun can end with this soft sign. And neuter nouns, they end with o and ye. If you missed this topic, I highly recommend you to watch my video about gender of nouns on my channel. I will leave the link below for the reading course and for the video. And now let's learn how to make plural of nouns. We will start with masculine nouns. So masculine nouns, those that end with a consonant or with a soft consonant I краткая, y, and soft sign, some of them end with the soft sign. We add I or I. I or I to make plural. For example, журнал, журналы, a magazine, magazines. Словарь, словари, a dictionary, dictionaries. Музей, музеи, a museum, museums. So you see, here we have a hard ending, a consonant, just a consonant in the end, and we add U after the consonant. And here we change the soft sign or I краткая to I. Словари, музеи. Now I want you to make this little exercise. Pause the video and write correct endings. We will check it together very soon. Okay, now let's check your answers. Plural form of these words. So we have телефон, телефоны, ресторан, рестораны, бар, бары, журнал, журналы, чай, чаи, секретарь, секретари. Here we added u in the end. Yeah, we had a consonant in the end of the word, and we added u, hard ending. And here we had чай, секретарь, и краткое and the soft sign in the end. So this is a signal of the soft ending, and we add и, чаи, секретари. Now, how to make plural feminine nouns. You know that feminine nouns in the singular, they end with a or ya. And some of them also end with the soft sign. So a we will change to y. Школа, школы. School, schools. Я we will change to и. Семья, семьи. A family, families. And the soft sign we will also change to и. Тетрадь, тетради. A copybook, copybooks. Okay, now it's time to practice a little bit. Pause the video, write down your answers, and then we will check together. Let's check your answers. Машина, машины. Газета, газеты. Неделя, недели. Компания, компании. Экскурсия, экскурсии. Площадь, площади. And finally, how to make plural of neuter nouns. Neuter nouns, as you should know, they end with o and ye. And we will change o to a. Окно, окна. A window, windows. Море, моря. Sea, seas. Ye, we change to ya. Okay, now time to practice. Write down your answers and then we will check as before. Let's look at your answers. Письмо, письма. Слово, слова. Яйцо, яйца. Решение, решения. Сообщение, сообщения. So let's summarize what we have just studied, but it's not the end. Watch till the end because you will find some interesting details very soon. So again, we have three grammar gender, masculine, feminine, and neuter. How we understand the gender of noun? We look at the last letter. And if it's masculine or feminine, it change the endings to y or e in plural. For example, журнал, журналы, школа, школы, словарь, словари, музей, музеи, семья, семьи, тетрадь, тетради. And the neuter nouns in plural, they end with a, ya. So we will change o with a and ye with ya. Окно, окна, море, моря. And now, taking into account the phonetic phenomenon about hard and soft consonant, you understand why they have two options and how to understand u or e, a or ya. Let's practice. Yeah, we study and we need to make it automatically. So that's we need to practice and practice a lot. Pause the video, write down your answers, and then we will check it together. So let's have a look at your answers. We have телевизор, телевизоры, компания, компании, телефон, телефоны, письмо, письма, музей, музеи, газета, газеты, неделя, недели, сообщение, сообщения, яйцо, яйца, море, моря. Very good job. Please write down in comments how many mistakes you did, or maybe you did everything correct. I will be really happy to read your comments. But it's not the end. You should pay special attention to this consonant, which you can see in the end of a word. You should know that they love only E vowel. They don't really like U, so never write U after them. For example, собака, собаки. Yeah, normally собака is a feminine noun. We should change to U, but we have ka before it, and after ka we can't write U, so we write and we pronounce E. Собака, собаки. A dog, dogs. The same. A cat, cats. Кошка, кошки. Врач, a doctor. Врач, chair. And the end. Also, it loves only E. Врач, врачи. Банк, банки. Коллега, коллеги. Нож, ножи. Okay. And very interesting exceptions, useful words which you probably used very often, and you should know that they completely change in plural. Человек, люди, друг, друзья, ребенок, дети, сестра, сестры, брат, братья. And one more little thing before we finish this lesson. So you should know that some nouns can be only singular. They don't have plural form. And also some nouns can be only plural. They don't have a singular form. For example, these are only singular nouns. Одежда, обувь, время, вода, молоко, печенье. So they don't have a plural form. They can be only singular. And these can be only plural. They don't have a singular form. Очки, часы, джинсы, брюки, деньги. Okay, well done. So now you know a lot about plural of nouns in the Russian language. If you like this lesson, please leave your comment below the video. I read all of your comments and I really appreciate you for letting me know how you like the video. And also, if you're looking for a practical course to learn the basics of the Russian language, fill in the form which you will find below the video, and I will contact you with the details about the course. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.